Good morning to respected judges and jury. I am Shraj Gupta
And I am Tushar Tandon.
of class 11 and we present to you RSRS, that is Roadside Response System. We propose an idea to use the kinetic energy of the fast-moving vehicles on the highways to produce electricity and to accumulate air inside the pressure tank, which can be used to inflate tires. The average distance between two petrol pumps on a highway is 50 to 100 kilometers. Imagine having a flat tire between this. RSRS in such situations will be of great help. You can just simply go to your nearest speed breaker and inflate the tire using the outlet present in RSRS. Also, 10 years down the lane, electric vehicles are the future. The electricity produced by RSRS could be used to recharge the electric vehicles. Now, I would like my friend Tushar to go through the different components of RSRS.
Now, I will tell you about the major components of this model. The major components are the speed breaker, which in this case is a rollable drum, which is attached to both of its sides with the DC motors. The downward movement of the speed breaker is supported by two cycle pumps, which also work to compress the air inside them and push them through the pipes to the compression tank, where the air is stored. The air can be let out through this outlet by this valve. The working inside the compression tank is as follows. When the diaphragm inside the compression tank is deflated, there is a lot of free space for the movement of air. When it is inflated, the free space for movement of air decreases, which leads to an increase in pressure of the air. When the valve is opened, the air is let out through this end with high pressure. Now, I shall explain to you the working of this model. When cars or vehicles with high kinetic energy pass over this speed breaker on highways, there are two movements in play. One is the downward movement, like this, and second is the movement of the speed breaker about its axis, like this. This movement leads to the production of electricity, since there are two DC motors attached to both of its ends. The downward movement of the speed breaker leads to the compression of air, which is pushed into this compression tank, which could be let out through this valve, like this. This balloon got inflated because of the air.
Our model RSRS could act as a masterstroke in the future. It can not only be used to recharge the electric vehicles and for the functioning of street lights, but it can also be used for rechargeable batteries. Also, it has the functioning of inflating the tires. So, all in all, our project can act as a masterstroke. Thank you.
Thank you.